When it comes to designing a home for your family, here's some features that can make all the difference. Hi, my name is Beth, and I'm a sales manager at the Valdosta office for America's Home Place. When designing for your family's floor plan, you really need to think about what your routine is like, what's going to make things easier, maybe at dinner time, in the mornings. And one of the features that a lot of people will either add or stretch is the island. You can add more space to it, you can add more depth to it if you need more cooking space, for chopping vegetables, etc. It's another place for people to sit down and eat other than just your dining table. That's something else you can do depending on what you need for your lifestyle. Customizing your outdoor living is another thing that's very important for families. Adding a back porch is something that a lot of families want to do for more family time outdoors. So if they're going to add a pool later, or if they just like sitting on the back porch and watching the grandkids play in the backyard. You can actually add a patio if you want your grill on a patio, or later on you could also add pavers. And if you added pavers to the back area, you could also add a fire pit. Another thing that you can consider for your family is a split bedroom plan. I think split bedrooms are important to a family because it gives the parents some privacy. It puts the kids on the other end of the house so that they can be a little louder and not disturb the parents, or if you have guests, they have their own space. If you're interested in the split bedroom floor plan, then check out the Brookwood, the Jillian, the Berglund, or the Oxford. Another common design change that people do is adding a half bath to their common areas. That way, the parents' bathroom is private, the kids' bathroom is private, but you have a special half bath for your guests. And if your family grows, another thing to think about down the line might be a flex area. You can use the flex area as an office, a dining area, or another bedroom down the line. So if you're thinking about designing a home for your family, stop by and see us. We can discuss what your vision is and how to make your dream into reality. If you're interested in some family-friendly floor plans, check out this video on the Southampton. If you want to learn more about the building process, check us out at americashomeplace.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.